Hi guys, Correspondent 2.0 and welcome back to another unboxing video, our fifth one for this time, and we have another new car over here that many of you guys know that existed here. This one is called 1976 AMC Pacer, one of the worst cars ever made. And the reason why, it still haven't been built, when the car was first built. But you guys want to learn more about this one, look up on Google. That'll help out. Now, specs. This one has a 8-liter 6-cylinder with 90 horsepower. If you will drive, it has supposed to be manual transmission. The time is 10.8 seconds, and top speed is only 103 miles per hour. Which means this car is very slow. Oh yeah. And that's why there's not many sales on this car that was first built by AMC. And well, I remember I had to see one on the road once, but I never got a chance to get a video of it though. And hopefully I will get a chance to get another one. 1, 2. Now this one is at the part series. It's called the Trivial Pursuit Classic Edition. Alright. And there's a special part on this one. And you guys will probably see on this one. Well, let's go get this thing out and get a closer look at the car itself and the special parts. Alright. And let's go with this. So, trying to get it out of there. Okay, I have to use a screwdriver to help me out on this one. There we go. Alright, let me move my phone like this. Get the little piece of plastic out of there. And get the card. So, you guys will be following me. See now a little bit. Get the chip. Yeah, there's actually a little chip that goes with it. Now I just need to get the car itself out of there. Alright, I got the AMC Pacer out there. Now, let's look around on this one. First, let's take a look here. Yep. There are questions back here. And, yep, the answer is looking on your card. Right here. So yeah, that's different here. Oh, I hope there. Let's take a look at the plane chip. Yeah, this one's at the part of the Apocalypse series as well. There's the name, so AMC Pacer or American Motors Company Pacer. And yeah, on the other side, it's also said Tribute with Steel on it. Alright, Classic Edition. Yeah, you can see it now. Alright, let me put that over there. Now it's time to take a look at the car itself. So here's the car itself, the AMC Pacer 76. Let's take a look at the front first. Details are very nice with the front with those headlights, of course. And yeah, the Pacer's logo is right over here. But I wanted the hood can open. I don't know. Let's see here. Whoa, look at a little piece. And why off at this point? By now we're alright. Peter will be okay. I don't know. Oh, the hood can open. I don't think it can. I don't think the hood can open at all. Yeah, so that I can't get the hood open. And on this one. And but you see the car car's paint light blue. Wheels are totally different on his side. Wheels are totally different than what other ones you've seen. Here's the rear with the tail light and reverse lights. License plate too. And very old plate. And I believe this must be a Connecticut plate, I think. Okay. But that's different though. Well, that's it for this one. What do you guys think of this one? We're halfway done of these unboxing videos. So I'll see you guys in the next one. I'll level these 5 first before I get to the other 5. So I'll see you all in my next one once I get these videos uploaded. See you in that one. Bye.